Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby and I'm so glad you're here. Today we are doing our monthly Stamp of the Month hop. So we have a super adorable stamp this month. Check it out, it's so cute. I'm also going to be sharing the Paper Pad Club of the month. And you have the option to choose this ephemera add-on. You'll see that's on the listing. You can join the club and save 18% off. We're gonna hop today. You're gonna see amazing projects from the design team. One winner is gonna win a $25 gift certificate to the shop, so I can't wait to see who wins. This is a hashtag driven hop, so you'll use the hashtag. I'll have it right there on the screen for you. And I'll have the lineup in the description box. I'm gonna bring you over to the table and we'll get started. This giveaway will end on November 14th. I'll announce the winner on the community tab here on YouTube on the 15th. So let's get started. I'm gonna color one of these cute little angels. I think they're adorable. There is a coordinating die if you join the Stamp of the Month Club. I do have some open spots for just the Stamp of the Month if you wanted to join that. You can also pick these up as a one-time purchase. You just miss out on the discount. And this month's Paper Pad Club of the Month includes this Paper Pad Angel Wings, which coordinates with our Stamp of the Month. So I'm going to use some sheets from this paper pad. There's also cutouts in here if you wanted to cut them out and use them on your card fronts. So you get 4 sheets of this. So I will put together a card using that and a card using the stamps. All right, I want to use the one that looks like she's flying. I'm going to use some of the accessories here, and I think I'm going to stamp those out 3 times in case I want to use them in 3s. We're going to use Memento Tuxedo black ink for our stamping. And then I'll color these up with Copic markers. I'll speed through the coloring and then meet me back on the other side to put the card together. So I thought I'd take some inspiration from the coloring on this sheet of paper and the green color in the paper. So I grabbed YG23 and G20, and I'm just going to do some really simple coloring, kind of like how it is on here, where it's not too much coloring, kind of like a lot of white space in there. So I'm just going to like color where the folds are and just leave a lot of white space here. I'm going to bring up the folds on the bottom of her dress. I'm going to do her little cheeks in R20. Okay, now I'm going to speed up the coloring. I'll meet you back on the other side. I'm going to use E74 and E70 for the wings. I wanted to match this taupe color. And I'm leaving my coloring really light. Like I'm not coloring with 3 different shades. I'm not filling in the whole thing. This is going to be some really simple coloring. The way the artist drew the lines really lets you just lay minimal color down, and you're still gonna get like beautiful results because of the artistry in the lines. It's a very hand-drawn look. Monique hand draws her images. This piece here is going to be my base layer. I cut it down 1/4 inch smaller than the card base. That way we have a little white border. I'm going to add this one down the side, leaving a little border of this taupe color. I'm going to add a peel off strip in between that. I'm going to put this one at the bottom. We're going to have this doodlebug doily right there. And then she's going to be flying in the middle. I'm going to have these little flowers as my little border. So let's bring that up just a little bit. Now I have to decide whether I want this up higher or down low. I think I'm going to do it down low at the bottom. That'll go in the center. I'm going to pop up my girl in all of these images. Before I adhere all my images, I want to stamp right there in that spot. I'm going to put this back into the MISTI. Grab the sentiment Joy to All from the stamp set. And then we're going to put that right here in that white space. I'm stamping with the VersaFine Claire. Okay, that looks beautiful. So let's adhere all of our images. We're going to start with the girl. So if you are interested in any of our clubs, I'll have the link in the description box that tells you more about it. And then you can click join now. It'll take you to the product listing page where you can choose monthly for your frequency. And when you choose monthly, you get your stamp and die delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. You do save an 18% off discount. And we provide you with lots of inspiration all month long, the design team and I. So subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And I'm just covering up the line that separates these two papers. And then this one's going to be layered. And I'm facing the flower different directions. That way it gives it an interesting look. I'm also popping up the little bow on top of her head. So this card is going to be very dimensional. And I'm just going to lay that right there. And I'm using these stars as my embellishments. So kind of as you would like add when you're doing like sequins on a card. So I'm not going to press down yet because I want to make sure that's where I want them. Let's layer this one a little bit down there. So I like the layered look. I'm layering this over this paper. I'm layering this over the doily, and I'm layering this on the doily and the other sheet that's hanging off right here. So it's a very nice layered look. Doesn't that look really, really cute? So this card needs a little sparkle, don't you agree? So we're going to take out the Stardust Stickles and add a little bit of glitter. But you know what? Let me decorate the inside first, because if I open up the card, I'm going to smash all my glitter. Okay, so I have a scrap, and I'm just going to lay that down at the bottom. And we can do one at the top. Okay, so we have something pretty on the inside. Now let's go ahead and glitter this card up. Let's add some glitter to the inside of these flowers. And then her wings. Oops, I got a big blob out. Let's just see if I could spread that around. Okay, so here's a closer look of the card. It turned out really, really cute. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you the card I made using the Paper Pad Club. If you become a YouTube channel member, I share how I created the card using the cutouts from the paper pad. The link to join the membership is down below next to the subscribe button or in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a couple more videos I think you'll enjoy.